Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yes, the audio is all right. Good morning, everybody. So, UPXI is the number one stock at the moment, jumping almost 400%, and it's getting near a resistance at the moment, which is the 1148. This one could be the top gainer for today, guys. So we have to be ready for it and watch for the pullback, because the pullback might happen at any moment right now after testing the 12. So UPXI, guys, we have a huge jump after announcement pricing of 100 million private placement, price above last market closing price. Wow. So the closing price was around the 230 or $2.50, and today in pre-market is $10. This is a huge, guys. UPXI private placement 100 million. This is a huge news, guys, for UPXI, the top gainer and the top unicorn for today. And now jumping again, guys, UPXI could be the one for today. Guys, hit the like on the way in. Don't forget, we got a huge buyer for UPXI for today. So let us start our hunt for today for UPXI. It is the top gainer for today, as we discuss. Could be good to watch right now for opportunity to load up at. We got MLGO as well, looking all right. UPXI looking fantastic as well right now. Okay, UPXI jumping, guys. Almost 400%. Is going toward the $15, which is the next target right now for UPXI. MLGO is moving, but it pulled back right now after testing the $10. We got ADD the same, pulling back after testing the resistance around the $1.11. And SHFS the same, pulling back. So this are the top stocks for today. UBXI, one of them. Coinbase gapping up. Netflix have great earnings last Thursday. Now it's pulling back. And Tesla the same, pulling back 4%. UPXI is still jumping, guys, for today. The only unicorn that doing fantastic at the moment. We got the target at the moment around the 15. We might go toward the 15 if we held at the moment over the 924, which is the first support for UPXI. The first support is around the 924. MLGO is still pulling back. Yeah, let us keep watching UPXI. Dexter, great walking your dog. Yeah, it is holiday here in France, but it's not holiday in the United States. I think you're mistaken. You think that the market is closed today, but is open in the United States. But in France, yeah, in Europe, we got day off today. But I feel American more than European, because all the holidays I take it with the Americans, United States. Shout out to Brian Cisco, new member, new mighty hunter. Thank you for the support, brother. Thank you for the support to our channel. Shout out to Brian Cisco, one of our new member, new addition to our community. the hunter community here on YouTube membership. UPXI, guys, is pulling back a bit. We might have a little pullback at the market open because now is a bit overextended. We might have the pullback down around the 550 for a reversal. So now it look a bit overextended. I'm gonna lower the support again here toward the 784 just in case. MLGO still holding. This one's still holding. Crypto doing all right today, but we didn't break the 88,500, which is the level that we have to break for today. But we got a nice jump early in pre-market or early few hours ago. This one could be good. Wow, we got a lot of big seller here. It just came Sunday for OMO or OMU or OM, yes, OM. Pulled back almost 93%. God, from the $9 until, wow, this is crazy. Yeah, now this look really interesting here. Sunday, Monday. Yeah, I think it happened last Sunday, not this Sunday, but the 13th of April. Anyway, so let us go back here. UPXI is still number one, guys, here. Still going up slowly. Good morning, everybody, whatever you are. Yeah, exactly, Mohamed. Don't forget to press the like button. Smash the like button, everybody. Today, after the long weekend, we've got anticipation in the markets. In Europe, guys, the market, we got a bit of holidays. So if you live in Europe, don't forget the market's open today in the United States. DRCT, I will check DRCT if it is good. DRCT 18%. No, 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 no. It's not good for now. Yeah, it pulled back a lot. It is dangerous, man. So I don't trust it. Maybe I will trust it again if we broke the $1 barrier, but for now it is too risky. Yeah, watch out for the $1. If we broke it again, we'll be good. Otherwise, I will not touch it now. For today, the only one that looks strong, the strongest one is UPXI. The reason X is because we have 100 million private placement. Jumped from the $2 now around the $11. Crazy jump. 400%. What a day we've got for you guys. Today, the market, we have a bit of anticipation. Okay, so UPXI is still waiting for the market open to give us this $16 or at least the 15.90. For now, it could be good. The safest bet for UPXI is waiting for a pullback here around the 550, which I expect a huge pull, reversal around the 550, 570, the strongest support for UPXI to pull back to. MLG already pulled back. We already have a nice jump here in the pre-market, squeeze up and went down. It did really great performance here, 14%. I expect a more jump if we're still holding the 840 for MLGO at the market open could be really good. SHFS is pulling back as well. We have a big seller around the $5 for SHFS. Today we don't have we only have one pharmaceutical company. Usually we have three or all of them, but today we have only one. And the strongest one is UPXI, the pharmaceutical company. The only one doing 300% for today. Let me just check if the European market is closed today. Oh, anyway. We got 15 minutes left at the market open, guys. 15 minutes left. Yeah, the market is a bit slow for today because the SPY pulled back today, guys. We got gap down toward the 519. So now we pulling back from the place where we jumped from back on the 9th of April. So it's still consolidating, but in the downside, we got SMCI still pulling back in this channel, guys. Critical area to hold for today, for my opinion. Turning point, guys. This is a turning point zone for SMCI. Either to go up or a flush. Critical zone is about to be tested right now. Right, nothing much. Yeah, we gapped and now pulling back again. It's getting near an interesting bottom. The same for Palantir. Netflix going back down a bit. Yes, sir. So UPXI is still the strongest. The reason is because the news just hit the market 1 hour ago. So we still have the hype. The hype is still there. Usually we have those stocks jump like at the pre-market open, but for UPXI, the news just hit the market now. Up here, what you mean? Reason we are down for what? For the market? You mean the SPY or which stock? Or if you're talking about the reason of the market as a whole? If you're talking about the market as a whole, we got just from the technical here, we got undecision, man. The market is not decided yet. So we still have a panic seller still there from the tariff, but we don't have resolution for the China war or tariff war between China and the United States. We still have not resolved that. So we have uncertainty. This is normal when we have uncertainty in the market. And the confirmation for a recovery, as we discussed, guys, early, it is breaking this area around the 550 for the SPY. Now we have another pullback, so we're not down technically in the big picture. We're just consolidating sideways. We're pulling back a bit, but it's going back to test the 509 for the SPY. For Tesla, on the other hand, we have imminent earnings, which is tomorrow after hours. And we got some news about about Tesla have bad sales, you know, and with the tariff and with a lot of competition. So this is normal that we have pullback of 4%, not just 1% or 2% like Nvidia and the other stocks. And it's clearly we have anticipation for a huge pullback at the earnings this time, especially for the revenue, because last revenue we have almost 1.55 billion in deficit. This time we might have more, guys. And just clearly from the estimate is around the 21 billion. Last earning was 25 billion. Estimate was even 27 billion. You see the difference, man, almost 6 billion in deficit down. So we expect a pullback for Tesla. Just before even the earning tomorrow, we see a bit of negativity for Tesla. That's why it's pulling back. MLGO is still holding, ADD holding. So yeah, UPXI is still holding. UPXI, it could get halted, guys. Have a huge opportunity to get halted. Shad, good morning, man. Good morning, my brother. Again, we got now 10 minutes. For NVIDIA, we got a little pullback for NVIDIA, but nothing much. NVIDIA is going back toward this support again, the 86. For NVIDIA, big seller just came around the 115.50. So NVIDIA did huge, guys. NVIDIA is, after the split, it did a nice jump even before the split from last year. So we might have a correction, guys, because we got inflated price for NVIDIA, almost 200% in just 1 year. It's too much, guys. It's too much jump. So a lot of you and a lot of analysts or in the news saying the market is we have a recession, the market is going down. But if you think about it, last year alone we have inflated price, man. 200% is not realistic to jump for this or even Palantir. So now we have a correction. Even for the SPY, we're still correcting, guys. So it's not consider a bearish or recession yet. for the market, for my opinion, is still okay. Again, guys, shout out to our new member, Mighty Hunter Level, Brian Cisco. Thank you for the support again, brother. And welcome to the Hunter brother, to the Hunter channel. So let's get right to it, guys. We've got UPXI number one for today. I'm watching it closely for a pullback at the market open. So this one have opportunity to pull back for a correction and haltation. If we held the 784 at the market open, because we anticipate a bit of pullback, and if we held, UPXI will be the top gainer for today. We might do 1000% or at least 500% in the first 30 minutes if we held the current support. So this is, should be the main thing to watch for today. Brian, you are welcome, man. You are welcome. As a Mighty Hunter brother on YouTube membership, you're gonna have access to charts updates later on. Chart updates later on. Let me just show you what I mean. I always put it on the community section here. So if I go here on my posts, you go on the post and you can see here we do day trades updates, chart analysis update. This is always after we finish our live streaming. We always put charts for entry and exits. We did for MLGO to buy the dip, mini stocks, as you can see here. After we finish our live streaming, you go on the community or on post, and you're gonna have access to member only's alerts. For you, you can have access to the chart alert after we finish our live streaming here. Okay, so UPXI looking great, guys. UPXI looking fantastic for today. So this one, it is on the main list for today. The main. And the reason is because we have 100 million private placement. Okay. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. We've got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left for the market to open. Three minutes left. Let's see. Okay, so guys, let us do a little recap before the market open, because After the market open, we have to focus on the short. UPXI, guys, is number one right now. MLGO number two. After that, we got ADD, but is a bit weaker. SHFS. So yeah, the top two is MLGO and UPXI for today. Maybe this will change later on, but for now at the open, I'm gonna focus just on two, guys. The rest is history, like ABVO. I don't like it now. This one, I don't like it as well. So yeah, the only one that look great, it is just two. Webull is still going down, guys. Huge flushing down from the $80 right now, 24. This is crazy. But it is about to have a major reversal now. For my opinion, it look juicy right now for a reversal. So it could be good to watch as well. It could be good for today, guys, Weibo. So I might put it down just in case. Anyway, so UPXI and MLGO are the one to watch for the market open. For MLGO, guys, we got this hidden seller right now around this level. It's backed a pullback or at least a test for this level at the market open. The 943. 943 should be a level to watch out for at the market open, because if we broke it, will be a major turning point for MLGO. MLGO, guys, was the top gainer, did 1000% in just few days. Then it pulled back down and now it started to reverse again. So that's why MLGO on our top list to watch for today. As long as we hold the 841, MLGO is still strong. And UPXI could be good for the pullback. The pullback might happen really quick at the market open. So I will watch for the pullback first around the 790, then the 569. Those the two level that could be good for buying the dip for UPXI. Guys, disclaimer before we start our video. Remember, we are not financial advisor. Do you do diligence before you put your money on the line? And let's get right to it, guys. The market is open. UBXI looking fantastic at the moment. MLGO the same. What else we got? We got a little jump here for some stocks. Webull is still going down. UBXI might get halted up, guys. Let me just bring Netflix because it might go up right now as well. Yeah, Netflix, it might go up. Yeah, looking interesting. Netflix right now. UBXI, we got a bit undecision right now. UBXI could be really good for now if we held the current situation ship here. We got a little situation here. Yeah, a little situation for UPXI. We need to break this level, guys, to go higher. UPXI need to break this channel to go toward the 1590. MLGO breaking the resistance right now is going toward the $10 again. MLGO looking fantastic. This one is a bit weaker. Netflix is jumping toward the green side again. Fantastic movement for Netflix, guys, looking great. Hitting the 1000 level again. A big buyer came around the 983. Netflix, we already discussed this one on our Discord and Patreon, guys, before the earnings last Thursday. Netflix is jumping, guys, 450. Netflix can go toward the 1065. It's testing our level right now. 1021 could be a resistant and pullback zone, guys. Netflix could be good to take profit at right now. Yeah, we have a bit of pullback right now. Watch out, everybody. Yeah, Netflix is pulling back a bit from the 1000. So I'm gonna put alert here for Netflix if we broke this level. SHFS is pulling back a lot, so I'm gonna take it from the list. MLGO pulling back. UPXI is still holding. MLGO is a bit weaker because we got our seller around the $10. ADD is still not strong. HTZ, yeah, is not that good for today, or not now. The same for this one. AREC is pulling back, is light on volume. MLGO, yes. UBXI, guys, it is the one jumping right now toward the $15. We have a breakout, guys, for MLGO. MLGO looking fantastic. MLGO looking fantastic, everybody. MLGO looking fantastic. We got a nice breakout. It's going toward the 15. MLGO, guys, looking great at the moment. Yeah, nice. We have 1340. Look at that. Make sure to take a profit because we might have a pullback for it right now. 1330, 1344. Yeah, we have 17% right now on this trade. We got 18. Yeah, looking great. So far, so good. So I'm gonna take a bit of profit on it just in case. Oh, you can take like this. So I'm take a bit of profit from it right now, just in case if we pull back. UBXI looking great, guys. MLGO, the same, still holding the support. Now we might have a breakout from MLGO. The only two good stocks for today. Netflix, guys, the 1021, it is the resistant at the moment. Current support is the 983. AREC broke the support, not good for now. SHFS, the same. Webull, guys, getting near a nice bottom right now around the 2127. Let's see the rest of the stocks. Yeah, we got a huge pullback for all the stocks, but UBXI is the one. MLGO the same. So we only have two stocks to watch. Let's see the market. Okay, AMD still holding the supports. Nvidia the same. Palantir the same. Palantir going on the green side. Nice. Palantir, guys, we might have our breakout this time, finally, from the 98. Yeah, Palantir, it is the strongest at the moment. With crypto stocks, the SPY is still holding the supports. UPXI is still jumping up and still holding the gain. Yeah, still holding the breakout here, guys. UPXI still holding the breakout. Top target is just below the $16. MLGO is about to break right now to go toward the $11. My target for MLGO for today. We got many requested stocks here. We got SPFM. I will check RSLS, DWTX, DWTX, DWTX. Remember, guys, if you want, if you had, I didn't see your requested stocks, is mean I'm focusing on the market. So it's not not replying, but I will do my best to reply and cover all the requested stocks. But if I couldn't, you can join our Discord and Patreon where you could request a stock every day before the market open for the levels. So let's see. Here we got DWTX. Whoa, John, this one looking fantastic. I think we already discussed it before. We said the 555, it is the breakout, and now broke out and went toward the profit taking the 618 and going to the other profit taking now around the $7. Yeah, this one have the $7 as a profit taking and the 757, brother. And the ultimate, for my opinion, is around the 817. Yeah, this one looking fantastic at the moment. Current support around the 5. Yeah, $5 and the 419, but it's getting near a resistance now, is around the below the 7. Yeah, it look really good right now. We got few levels for profit taken: 690, 750, 817 before a huge pullback down. Current support $5. RSLS looking interesting if it held the current support over the 40 cent, which has been tested right now. The bottom is the 34. For this one, I don't like it that much, man. Is not my top choice. But if it broke the 50 cent, we have the 58 cent and the 69 as a profit taken. Now it's pulling back to retest the support around the 40. This one, SPFM, no good, man. SPFM, no good. So I'm gonna keep RSLS and DWTX just in case. The Weeble, guys, is getting near a critical zone right now for a reversal around the 21. So we might witness a reversal. We might witness a huge reversal. Yeah, as you can see here from the trends, it's looking interesting for a reversal. Yeah, looking interesting here. Look at that. It's not bad. Yeah, it look beautiful. Netflix, yeah, pulling back now. MLGO broke out. MLGO, we have a breakout, guys. And I think it's halted up. So MLGO is number one, guys. MLGO is halted. Let me just check if it's halted right now. MLGO is halted. We got the other one, MTEN. We got another one, LXEH. We got AREP. Wow. Let's see those two. That's currently halted. MTEN, light on volume, is dead. The other one is dead. So yeah, let's see AREB. AREB, guys, is the top loser right now. It was the top gainer before. Now it's top loser, 60% down. But it reversed from the bottom. Huge reversal. And now it could be good for another jump. Yeah, it reversed just right there from the 150 before the market opened. 50%, man. But it's not my cup of tea for today. It's not my cup of cappuccino. Cappuccino, I like cappuccino, man. I love Italian food. Anyway, so let's see. DWTX is still jumping, guys. It's almost testing our resistance, the 690. And Weeble, guys, it might reverse right now. So watch out, the 2127. UPXI pulling back. MLGO is halted as we discussed, guys. MLGO, for my opinion, would be really good to take profit just after the unhalting. Just keep your eyes close to MLGO because it could be better to take profit just at the unhalting or the resumption. Yes, sir. Yeah, MLGO is halted. It was really good to buy before the unhalting, guys. The best entry was around the 920. We already discussed MLGO early here, guys, on our live streaming and pre-market watch list video that we did today. We did for ABVO, SMX, ST. Yeah, here we discussed MLGO today, guys, on our pre-market watch list. We do watch list video every day after the pre-market open by 1 hour, and MLGO was one of them. So now I will be ready to take profit around the 11 because the 11 I expect a huge pullback for MLGO. Now it's around the 1058. So yeah, the MLGO should be a huge pullback right now, guys. Huge pullback. I expect a huge pullback for MLGO once we get unhalted. Trading of MLGO is temporarily halted, guys. So right now we might get unhalted at any minute. As we said, the 11 will be a turning point and pull back. So we're missing just 3%. So we might get unhalted up. If we got halted up over the 11 would be great. If we didn't, it mean we're gonna get shorted before it. The other level that I'm watching is the 1190. Yeah. Okay, and think I'm gonna take profit at the moment, guys, because I expect a pullback now. Yeah, because we got unhalted just before the 11, so it's a warning sign for me. It is too risky to hold. Now jumping a bit around the 11th. So 1190 is the next level if we broke this level. We're still testing the 11. We're still testing, guys. That's why we're pulling back. Yeah, you see, it's pulling back right around the 11. Great hunt, guys. Anyway, great hunt for MLGO. Let's see, UPXI is pulling back just before our resistance. Netflix didn't break. Webull started to reverse a bit. The WTX tested our level and pulling back, of course, around the resistance, the 688. You see, John is tested our resistance and now it's pulling back. RSLS is about to break our support, but MLGO exactly. See with me, guys. We exited just around the 11 before this pullback. Beautiful exit. Beautiful, for my opinion. Beautiful exit. And now it's pulling back down. Great hunt, everybody. Yeah, great hunt. Who took his profit on MLGO? Yeah, great hunt. Now it's flushing down. What a great hunt, man. Really, really good hunt for this one. Especially this one. It was perfect. Beautiful exit. Beautiful exit, man. That's what we do, guys. We always warn you guys to take profit before the short sellers come in, because if you get greedy and you just hold, you're gonna lose all the profit. So the idea here to be vigilant from the short sellers, because short sellers just want to eat your profit. If you don't exit quickly, they will take your money. Simple as that. It's like hyena. Short sellers are like hyena. Short sellers exactly like hyenas. If you don't take your profit, it's like you hunt your gazelle and they come after you. Did all the the work by hunting the gazelle, then they come to steal the gazelle from you. I see this a lot on National Geographic. They're sneaky. They don't want to do the job. They just wait until you get tired by running after the gazelle, then they come and eat you or take the gazelle from you. And they come in a big group. Mark, you are welcome, man. CLF. Mark, hit the like, brother. Share our live streaming. This is the at least everybody can do to support the channel, guys. Hit the share. CLF. CLF. 3%. No, it's not good, man. It's dead. Don't like it, man. Just being honest, man. It's really hard to be honest nowadays, you know. If you really like your friend or you love your friend, you just tell them the truth. You know, if they bought a really hideous car, you tell them, yeah, man, your car is really look really bad. And tell them the truth, what you like and dislike, you know. Because if you try to be nice, yes, you can't be nice to everybody because you can't make everybody love you. It's impossible. So the best is to be yourself and attract the right people for you. I didn't realize this until I stopped caring about what people think. And I know, guys, don't be like a douchebag and do like a lot of TikToker do, like crazy stuff and screaming in airplane or something like this to be funny. But this is being a douchebag. I'm not saying this, like doing the right thing, the thing that you want to do at that without overthinking, without hurting the other person or the privacy of other person. So this is the trick. It's not complete freedom. UPXI still holding, guys. Netflix still holding. Webull started to reverse. Guys, Webull looking really interesting for a reversal right now. Look at that. I'm interested in Webull right now. I'm interested in Webull. But guys, Webull is too risky. So if you want to trade it wisely. Webull looking really interesting right now for a reversal. You are welcome every time, brother. Our door is open to a new members to our Discord and Patreon. And remember, brother, if you want to join our Discord, first of all, you have to go join our Patreon first. Then you can have access to our Discord. I will send you the private link later on if you want to join Discord. So this Patreon is linked to our Discord, you know. I know it's a bit confusing if you never used Patreon or Discord before, but this is how it works. You have to join first our Patreon, and after you choose the one of the two levels, because the first level is already sold out, you can have access to our Discord. Nice. Good night, Said. This is what's up, Said. I like your mentality, brother. You're not a greedy person, and you're grateful for what you have. You get good trade and you go to sleep. Again, guys, if you don't know what's mean good night and go to sleep is not literally going to sleep, but is mean sleeping and never over trading, never trading again. Because right now in Europe we are just afternoon, you know. So don't take everything literally. ADD or SHFS any good now? And 8TZ. I will check. ADD, brother. Bull is the one that look good now, man. ADD, I don't like it. I took it from the list for a reason. SHFS, I don't like it as well. Even though it's still holding the $3.37, but I don't like it that much. ADD, the same. I don't like it that much. It is really risky. So the ones are on our main list is bull for a reversal right now. If it held the 21.27, bull could be really good for today to go toward at least the 27 and 28. If we broke the 28, it might be the trigger for a squeeze up toward the 34. The other bottom for Webull for entry is the $16. So we have few stocks here. DWTX looking really strong right now, is breaking out from this resistance around the 690. It held the 580 and now it's going toward the 740. So DWTX looking great. What else we got? Netflix, I'm gonna take it because it's a bit weak, but still holding. UPXI is still strong. MLGO, no good, guys. It's really too risky now. It was good for entry and exits. Hopefully you already spot our the entry because it was perfect here before the market opened or after the market opened by 15 minutes. We entered and we exited right around the 11. It was quick entry and exit. Again, guys, MLGO, we already discussed it on our Discord early on our daily pre-market watch list video, guys. MLGO, we discussed the levels, the entry, and the profit taking early on today. So if you want to join, the link in the live chat section below if you want to join our Hunter channel and have early access to those stocks. What else? Yeah, so UPXI is still good. Webull still good. DWTX, I think, is halted right now, guys. Let me just check one stock that been requested from us from our elite member. Tries ask about HTZ. HTZ, guys, let's check this one if it's good. HTZ. It's still on our other list. HTZ is not good, man. I don't like it anymore for now. If it's holding over this support, it could be good. Yeah, around the 629 and 586. Current resistance right now, it's turned around the 756. Current profit is around the $8 and the $9. Yeah. But for now, it could go down more. So it's not right at the moment. Here, the bottom or the support for today is the between the 630 and the 580. The confirmation for a reversal is breaking this resistance. So the 756 is technically a resistance and profit taking. If we reverse from here, we're gonna hit this level. Then we might continue to go down. But it's not on our main list for today because it pulled back a lot. Webull, guys, it is the one it started to reverse. We got a juicy reversal started to happen for Webull, but it's still inside the bearish channel. As you can see here, this is the bearish channel. Boom, 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 boom. We need the breakout here around the 828.70. DWTX is still halted up. Let's see the stock that got halted. DWTX is halted. LXEH, AUD. Oh man, we got a lot. Let's see. LXEH. Wow, this one 63% like AREB and AUD. Let's check this one out. AUD, wow, it's jumping 32%. Have a reverse split 1 to 17 back in last month. And now is getting near the $5.55, which is the current resistance and profit taken. So yeah, AUD could be good if the volume change because right now the volume is really light on it. DWTX I think is unhalted. Holy moly, this one is doing great job, guys, for today. But to be honest, guys, I'm not trading this one because it is too late for me to enter. The best entry was around the 584. Yeah, this one it tricked me, guys, because I didn't trust this support hold over the 580. I could have entered here just at the market open, but I didn't trust it that much. So the stock tricked me. But the trick is, guys, when stock tricked you for this kind of entry and you miss it, the best is to not enter. Even though it's kind of teasing me right now for entry, but sometimes when I do that, I lose a lot of my profit and end my day in dread because I took one bad decision by getting FOMO and enter around high price level. So now I learned my lesson and I just let those stocks go and never re-enter or never enter around those levels. I wait for a pullback. Yeah, John, I know, but I don't trust the entry, man. I don't trust the support that much, man. Yeah, it was perfect timing. John, thank you for WTX, but I didn't trust it, man. I didn't trust it. George, NNE, getting a good support. I will check it for you. NNE. Guys, in trading, you can't be right every time. We got right on MLGO. We got really good profit on it, UPXI, but DWTX wasn't right. So I missed this trade. So I'm not like getting angry because we already got two stocks. You can't be right all the time. So it's impossible, you know? So I let it go because I already have UPXI and MLGO. We got really good profit on them. So you have to be humble. The market always humble the trader because you can't be right every time. And our psychology, we are human. We have a huge ego. We want to be right every time. We want everybody to love us. That's why when a girl reject a man, sometimes the man want the woman more because they can't hold the idea of the woman rejected them. And this is the worst case scenario because if someone doesn't like you, you just don't force it. You just let it go, you know. But the ego, man, the ego is crazy. That's why a lot of people want things they can't have. This is crazy, man. If you think about it, it's make no sense, you know. But we do it. And trading taught me the solution or the idea of letting go, you know. Letting go is the best skill you can have in life because make the life more less miserable or less crazy. By letting go, you could have opportunity to hunt for other stocks. NNA, brother, we have the 1545 as a support right now. So the 1545, it is the current support at the moment. Uh, Currently is weak because the volume is weak. We don't have any action. Would be interesting again if we broke the 2520, but I don't like it. Top stock still MLGO, UPXI, Webull still okay. DWTX have a bit of pullback right now because it's getting near the all-time price, which is the $8. You are welcome, George. John, you are welcome. Thank you, man. Interesting for DWTX right now, guys. We have a huge fight for UPX right now. Huge fight for this one. A huge fight for DWTX. Anyway, let's see Weibo. Yeah, it pulled back a bit. UPXI. Interesting trend here. Always interesting. Yeah, something is about to happen to UPXI, guys, because now is almost 500%. Is getting overextended, for my opinion. We don't have a lot of buyers to make this price go higher. SMCI, guys, breaking the critical zone right now around the $30. So yeah, UPXI is getting weaker, for my opinion. It's going toward the 27.78 now, which is the other levels that we have to test. AMD breaking the support as well. It's going for a new low for today. Coin, the same. Netflix is pulling back. So we have a weak market. Tesla, 6%. Guys, remember, Tesla have earnings today or tomorrow after hours. So we're going to do update for it. Like what we did last time on the count for Netflix. GURI, any good still? SMCI seems to be at the bottom. Not yet. GURI, I don't like it that much, man. It's not on our list for today. It was on our list early, but I took it even from the list. GURE. Yeah, it's not good anymore, man. It's dead. It's game over. I don't like it anymore. We should have broke the 133. So watch out for the 133. If we broke it, just send me a message. I will do update for the chart. For now, stay away from it. SMCI, as we discussed, is going down because we broke the support. So SMCI will be great if we go toward the 27.78. Not now. It's too risky to buy now. Yeah. So now DWTX is pulling back, of course, because it hit our resistance around the $7.50. Now is going back down to recorrect around the 584. So there's a correction, guys. Support around the 587 could be a really good reversal zone for WTX. UPXI 500%. Holy moly, guys, this one, it is the strongest for today. UPXI, we have 100 million private placement. This is a huge for UPXI. Yeah, UPXI is going again toward the $15 this time. It is about to break this trend. Look at this trend, guys. It's look beautiful right now for UPXI. UPXI is right now number one. DWTX is number two. We got after that MLGO and Weibo. Those are the top stocks for today. But be careful, guys. UPXI is getting near this resistance around the $15. I expect a huge pullback there. Huge pullback is coming right now, guys, because we're gonna test this level from above, and we expect a pullback after that. Realistic pullback should be around the 11.14. We're gonna do a major update later on our Discord, guys, for the unicorn and king swing trades, everything we're gonna discuss here on our Discord and Patreon, and for sure on our membership community channel on YouTube and post level, where we do every day, only if we have a good setup for day trade stocks here on YouTube membership, and swing trade and live streaming and watch list video every day here on Discord and Patreon. Etras, where do you see support on NVIDIA? Great question. NVIDIA is still not yet near the support. The support is getting near, man, around the 86.69, but not right now. This is should be the support, the first support to have double bottom there. It could be let's see. For today, we might have an early support. So expect another 3%, at least here, guys. The 92.61, this is could be a good support for NVIDIA for today. Let's see. Yeah, UPXI is still the one to watch. Yeah, UBXI is still good, man. UBXI is still beautiful. UBXI is still beautiful. AREB might run hard. Oh man, UPXI guys, I think here could be a good exit zone for UPXI from my opinion. It look really overextended to me. Right now it look really overextended. Around the 15, yes. We have 35% on this trade, so it's better to exit right now, guys. Yeah, it's better to exit right now. 35%, not bad. Okay, this is it for now, guys. Great hunt on UPXI, MLGO, DWTX. I didn't trade this one, but yeah, it was good anyway. Webull as well doing fantastic right now, guys, for a reversal. So those the top stocks to watch for today. Maybe RSLS, AUD not good, AREB, whoa, AREB looking crazy good right now for a reversal. So I'm gonna keep it on the main list. What else we got? SMX, no. HTZ started to reverse, but I don't like it. We can't trade all the stocks, so that's why we have only five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top five, guys. This is it for now. Netflix is still holding this support. We have a bit of pullback for the market, so we're gonna discuss the bottom for Tesla, the SPY, and other stocks later on Discord and Patreon, guys. So join us there for update for the current levels for the market, because the market give us a discount for the beginning of this week. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow at the same time, 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube, guys. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, because we always go live, and see you by tomorrow. And if you want to have early access to our live streaming and pre-market watch list for all the stocks before even the market open, you can join us on Discord and Patreon. The link comes section below. In the meantime, stay blessed, everybody, and see you all by tomorrow. Thank you for watching.